In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the emblem or the nameplate on the tailgate of this Ford F-150. Let's get started. To remove it, all you have to do is maybe with a trim tool or by hand. Sometimes the glue is more sticky than other times, especially if you leave this out in the sun. It's more likely to come off easier. You should be able to slowly pry this away, very gentle because you don't want to break it. There we go. You should be able to hear the glue releasing, and there you have it. If you have new glue, you could scrape the old one off and put on a new piece of double-sided tape or whatever you have here. Mine is actually still sticky, so I'm going to reuse the old one. You can also apply some to the back of this, and then you take your new emblem, line it up, press it on, and you should be all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.